In this video, you will learn how to make any man miss you after a breakup. I know exactly how breakups make you feel. Your heart is in so much pain that it wants to do whatever it takes to get your ex back. It feels like you're gonna die if he doesn't come back. You feel like your life has stopped, and you can't imagine living without him. So, that's why in this video, I'm going to show you the single biggest mistake many women make that will push them away forever. The one simple thing you have to do to make him miss you, and why this will work more than any game or strategy ever could. But before that, if you like videos about preventing your relationship from fading away and experiencing a beautiful relationship, subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell. Also, I have a free swipe file of 5 phrases you can say to any man to make him addicted to you in the description down below. Okay, let's get into the video. The single biggest mistake many women make that will push them away forever. Women oftentimes tend to give all their emotional energy and feelings to their exes thinking he will come back. Women let their heart take over and let it do whatever it can to get him back. I know breakups are hard, but you have to understand if you make decisions out of desperation, he will not come back at all. He won't take you out of pity, so don't make the mistake of letting your heart do whatever it wants to make him come back. This will push him further and further away. If you've already done this, don't feel bad, because it happens to all of us. We didn't learn how to deal with breakups. But if you can stop this before happening, then there will be a greater chance of fixing your relationship again. The one simple thing you have to do to make him miss you. It's obvious that he doesn't want all your emotional energy right now. He ended the relationship for a reason, which means he needs a bit of time to think things through and validate if he made the correct decision. He also needs to process his emotions, and he can't miss you and get the feeling that you're not there if you text him every 10 minutes and call him every weekend. And at the same time, you need some time to heal yourself. So the best thing you can do is to give him some time and space. So you want to have a no contact period of 30 days. I know this is hard, but this is essential. But you have to patch up that wound in your heart. Trust me, this will greatly benefit you, and this will force him to experience life without you. When you don't contact him, it gives him the time and space to miss you. And not only does he have to experience missing you, but he will also experience the fear of losing you. If you constantly contact him, he would feel like you're right there waiting for you whenever he changes his mind. And this no contact also allows you to realize that you can live without him. I know you don't want to, but you will be okay. I know that this will be extremely difficult. It is almost like losing a limb, but when you go through a broken heart, that will get you in touch with who you really are. And by no contact, I mean no calling, no texting, and no scrolling his social media. But you have to remember that this cannot guarantee that your ex will come back, because it isn't easy to change someone's mind. They have to do it. No other person can. So remember, if he forgets you, or if he doesn't even care what happened to you, then he was never the right guy for you. Okay, but you have to understand, if he comes back, that doesn't mean that your relationship is completely safe. You have to make him addicted to you and obsessed with you. You can create a beautiful relationship if he is dedicated to you. And that's why I've got a free swipe file to make any man addicted to you down below in the description. And those are not just simple concepts, those are exact phrases you can say to a man to make him truly addicted to you. So make sure to get your free download in the description. And if you want more videos about women's relationships, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.